High above the Caspian Sea, hidden within the ancient Hyrcanian forests of Iran, lies a monument born of myth and military genius. A fortress so vast, it drapes itself across two mountain peaks. This is Rudkhan Castle, the castle of the river, a silent sentinel that has watched over this land for more than 1,000 years. Its story is one of empires, secret orders, and the enduring power of stone. Its origins are rooted in the Sasanian Empire, built as a bulwark against the Arab invaders. But the fortress we see today was largely reborn during the Seljuk era, in the 11th and 12th centuries. It became a vital stronghold for the Nizari Ismailis, the fabled order of assassins who mastered the art of creating impregnable mountain sanctuaries. Life here was a testament to strategic brilliance, a self-contained world designed to withstand any siege. Rudkhan is a masterpiece of defensive architecture. The fortress is divided into two main sections, a formidable arsenal and a residential citadel, connected by a series of fortified gates and winding staircases. Its 1,500-meter-long wall is punctuated by 65 towers, each a self-contained defensive post. Built from local stone and brick and bound by a unique waterproof mortar called sarouge, it was engineered to perfection. A natural spring within its walls ensured that its defenders would never be starved of water, the lifeblood of any fortress. After the fall of the Ismailis, the castle's purpose faded. For centuries, it was slowly reclaimed by the forest, its memory fading into local legend. It was not until 1830 that the Polish-Iranian archaeologist Alexander Chodko reintroduced it to the world. A single stone inscription found upon its walls recorded a reconstruction by a local sultan, providing the only written voice from its silent past. Today, Rudkhan Castle stands as one of Iran's most magnificent national treasures, not a ruin, but a timeless chronicle of ingenuity and resilience, its story forever etched in the mountains.